Welcome back. Here is Lucas, and we will explain uh, how how install Jupyter Server in your local machine. Made this because I haven't I had no time to make other thing in this week, so I made this, and this will be of utility to next week. And next week I will explain how use a software development kit of Google to use Dataproc in in your local machine. Okay, first I will explain how install and use Jupyter in your Windows machine, in your machine with Windows. So here I have this PowerShell console where I put a simple git clone with the repository. Later I set in the path of is the script, and later I I put this command PowerShell.x and the name of the script, and this automatically run or installing Jupyter Server in your machine. This have no a lot of science. This only execute Python scripts. So first I show the console log. Here just install modules dependency of the Jupyter Server. This is a lot of console log. There is the the package installed, and later we have this section running Jupyter where we can see the port that is executing a server of Jupyter. We can ingress the server, put this in the browser. So I will show you. Here is the server, and we can create a notebook with this option, Python 3. This maybe take some time. We wait. Meanwhile, I drink mate. So wait, this no response. Okay, I will use this for make and create other way to create notebooks. So I will open Visual Studio. I will create a new file, example EPENB. This create a file of notebook. I restart the server. I will see the console. I don't know why this doesn't work. Maybe if I enter with all this. Okay, what's happened? Okay, I just uh, press Control and C and this happened. So okay, this creates some notebooks. Well, restart this step. I will select new, select Python 3. This must create a notebook. Okay, yeah, well, okay. This this create a notebook. Maybe if you want change the name, you can make this way. Uh, you you put click here and change the name. I will put so simple. Eh, And here we can run any commands of Python. For example, print hello world, and this print this. We can create other module of code with this, and we can make any things. Okay, and this will put a file. This is linked with this notebook, so and this, so we can interact with many ways. So that okay. The next part is install Jupyter in Linux. So I will show you. I have a virtual machine. I made the same things. Git clone. I s- I I go to the path where is the scripts. I run in this case I run ch space and the name of the script dot ch hg, sorry, and this automatically run all the scripts to have a Jupyter server. Okay, this is the same the before way in Windows, so I pass so fast. Okay, here I create I created a notebook, so I will create other notebook, and this is the same thing. So a name, we can make the same things. So so that okay. I don't know if I pass other things that I must show you. So this is all for the video of this week. I hope this will be help for you. So I wait for you in the next week. Okay, see you later.